What's going on? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, more car parts. Well, no more car. Well, yeah, more car parts. I already got the front lid for the VM. Today I got the. I think it's the. Hold on. Let me check. Let me show you. I got this, and I thought it was the side skirts because I ordered the side skirts for the BMW, but it doesn't look like it's the side skirt. It looks like it's the rear diffuser. Now this rear diffuser is like for the M Sport package. Like if you have the M Sport rear bumper, like I do on my car. Now if you got the base model, it won't fit. You need to get the M Sport rear bumper. Now the only thing, man, this thing looks, oh my god, this thing looks sexy. Gloss black. Now this is for the M Sport, but the thing is that it go for a quad exhaust. When you got the M Sport bumper and the M Sport package on your BMW, you only get the single exhaust. So, I mean, you get dual exhaust, but they single, they not quad. So now I'm gonna have to get a quad exhaust so it can fill the big holes that it got there. So I'm gonna start searching for a quad exhaust tip. This is falling apart. I think this need to go in here. Clip. I think it go clip in there. I might get fixed whenever yeah, it just go clip in there. It's like two pieces. It's this piece right here in the middle and then the long piece. So I have to fix this up. But the thing is that, yeah, I gotta get the quad exhaust so I can feel them and I can feel them. But man, it look nice. Look nice. Gonna look like this. Gonna be like that. Bam, on the back of it. I wish I can install this thing tomorrow, but I can't because it's gonna snow. Expecting like a couple inches of snow. Man, these clips doesn't hold this in place. It look like they're like this one right here. It look like it's broke. Oh man, it's always something. But anyway, I'm still happy with it. So hopefully I get it installed as soon as I get a chance and it's not snowing outside. I'll probably glue this in. In here. I got it fixed. But yeah, this is the car part that I got today. I got this from eBay. I'm gonna hook the BMW from eBay just like I did with the Subaru. Unless I go to the engine. And even the engine, I got parts from eBay for the engine too. But yeah, it looked nice. Oh, and I got this too today. It's the light tint, so I can put it on the headlights. I'm gonna put a light tint on the headlights. So hopefully when it get better outside, I know that's super cold, I do that. But this one, as soon as I get a chance and it's not snowing, this bad boy is going in. Now it's gonna look funny with just a single exhaust sticking out in here. But I don't mind until I get the quad. But yeah, follow the journey, because this BMW is gonna turn out nice. Anyway, hit the like button, support the channel, so I can keep making more videos. Well, I'm gonna make more videos no matter what. Support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe if you wanna keep following the journey on the BMW. And hit the bell button if you wanna know when I upload videos. I try to do it every week. Try my best to upload a video every week. So yeah, you already know. Man, I can't wait to put that on. Anyway, I'm gonna let you on to the next one. Be safe.